Hey guys, so I'm super excited because it's back to school time, and even though I'm too old to be in school, I reminisce sometimes. So I'm super excited because Catrice has sent me these lovely foundations, and I decided I'm gonna do a nude face with them because they're very lightweight, and you guys know I love nude faces, so that's what we're gonna do. Everything today that I'll be using is super affordable, so before I start, I just wanna say thank you to Catrice Cosmetics for partnering up with me on this video. Okay, so I have these three shades right here. I have 80, 85, and 90 over here. I usually have to mix to get my perfect shade. So today I'm going to just swatch all of them and see which one best fits, and then that's how I'll justify which one I'm gonna mix. But before I do that, I want to moisturize my face. You guys know I don't prime, I just over moisturize my face now. I'm using the Glam Glow Starter, and it's a moisturizer just with like glowy stuff. So. And then you're just gonna leave that on your skin for a little while just so it could absorb a little bit. Now I'm gonna do some swatches. We're gonna start with 80, and it comes with this like dropper, like so. Boom. See, we're gonna swatch this one right here. So we're gonna go to the next one. I do like the fact that this one does have a yellow undertone because a lot of companies forget that darker shades can have yellow undertones as well. But we're gonna go on to 85. Right there. Boom. I think that it would make sense to mix actually the deepest one and the lightest one because the one in the middle is a little bit more red for me. All right, so I'm gonna start using my hand as my little palette, and I'm gonna first start off with color 80 and just apply some on the back of my hand. It's gonna take a little bit of the deepest shade and add that as well. Okay, and then I'm just gonna test it out. Okay, using a Real Technique sponge, I'm just gonna do some dots along my face like so. And if I need to add any more color in my face, I can always do that because again, you can contour with this. I don't typically put foundation on my forehead because it's always the deepest part of my face, so I usually just contour up there. So it blends really nicely, and it's very natural looking, and you guys know I love that when it comes to foundation because I love skin, and I think that your skin should show through your foundation. Leroy right here. So I'm gonna add a little bit more over him just to kind of cover him because he's doing a lot. And then I'll just be taking just a smidge of the deepest color, 90, and adding it to my forehead to kind of just drag everything out. So I'm just literally just gonna take the dropper and my finger, just go on my forehead, like so, like that, and blend it down. After that, I'm just going to lightly conceal my face because again, we're trying to trick people and make them believe that this is how your skin actually looks, but it's actually not. You're wearing foundation, okay? So I'm gonna go in with this Maybelline Age Rewind. These bad boys right here. And everybody knows that I'm obsessed with these as drugstore concealers. With tan. And I'm just gonna do like a slight little triangle under my eye. Now I don't look so much like a zombie. And then I'm just going to actually blend this out. We'll see as I go along. It's like an instant, I'm awake, almost. Like I haven't been up for hours and was waking up at 6 in the morning for no reason. But it's okay, because now I have concealer, see, and it looks so much better. Now I'm gonna take my handy dandy benign powder, and I'm gonna just lightly set this because, again, this is not a full beat. This is just like an in and out the door type look. I'm just taking very little. I'm just setting under my eyes. And then I just take a really dense brush like this and just kind of pack in whatever powder's left over. Very lightweight, and that's what I will say about this foundation. I love foundations that don't actually feel like you're wearing anything on your face. Okay, cool. So now I'm just gonna do something really quick with my brows. You guys know my routine's really simple and trill. I'm actually gonna post a video on my eyebrow routine, so I'll do my eyebrows and I'll be right back. Now I'm basically just going to go in with some lip gloss, and this is Beauty by Pop Sugar in the color Lucky Star. Now, as far as mascara goes, I was gonna use a drugstore one, and then I thought about it and I was like, actually, I have no lashes, so I'm going to go in with the Better Than Sex by Too Faced because it somewhat makes it look like I have lashes if I use it. So if you're blessed in that region, I'm jealous of you. So now that it somewhat looks like I have lashes, I am actually going to spray my face with some setting spray. And right now I have some Urban Decay All Nighter. That's what's on hand. So I'm just gonna spray my face real quick. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is my final look. They're super lightweight, they're mattifying, and as you can see, it looks like skin, and you guys know that's super important to me. But not only are they $10.99, okay, but they have expanded their shades from 4 to 18. This foundation is super lightweight. I do not feel it on my skin, and that's a major key for me. So thank you so much, Catrice, for partnering up with me on this video. I hope you guys like my face just as much as I do because I love nude makeup. I just do. I do. If you have any comments or questions, please leave a comment below. I will definitely answer those. And like usual, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at iamLindaElaine and Snapchat at JamaicanBeauty. And I hope you have a marvelous day or night, whatever time it is, and I'll see you later. Deuces.